Good morning, afternoon, evening, ladies and gentlemen, here in YouTube. Today, I am thrilled to share with you a recent endeavor that has brought me immense joy and satisfaction: the restoration and revival of various household items through do-it-yourself methods. As someone who finds fulfillment in breathing new life into old possessions, I embarked on a journey to clean, fix, and repurpose 8 vacuum cleaners, transforming them into functional and reusable tools for everyday use. Each vacuum cleaner presented its own set of challenges, from clogged filters to broken belts and malfunctioning motors. Through patience, perseverance, and a bit of elbow grease, I meticulously worked on each one, troubleshooting issues and restoring them to their former glory. The process not only saved me money but also instilled in me a sense of pride and accomplishment, as I witnessed these once neglected machines spring back to life. To showcase the fruits of my labor, I decided to line up these refurbished vacuum cleaners in my living room, turning them from mere appliances into conversation pieces that tell a story of resilience and resourcefulness. Not only do they serve a practical purpose in keeping my living space clean, but they also serve as a testament to the power of DIY repair and the joy of giving old items a new lease on life. In addition to the vacuum cleaners, I also took on the challenge of fixing 3 light heaters that had fallen into disrepair. By diagnosing and addressing the issues plaguing them, I was able to restore their functionality and efficiency, ensuring that they continue to provide warmth and comfort to those around them. It was a gratifying experience to witness these once discarded heaters radiate warmth once again, thanks to a little bit of effort and ingenuity. But my journey into the world of repair and restoration did not stop there. Inspired by the success of my previous projects, I decided to delve into watch repair, opening up 3 wristwatches to replace their worn-out batteries. Armed with the right tools and a willingness to learn, I carefully disassembled each watch, replaced the batteries, and reassembled them with precision and care. The satisfaction of seeing these watches come back to life, ticking away with renewed vigor, was truly unparalleled. Through these projects, I not only saved time and money but also cultivated a deeper appreciation for the things we often take for granted. In a world where disposability and consumerism reign supreme, embracing a do-it-yourself mindset can be a powerful antidote, allowing us to reconnect with the items we use daily and fostering a sense of responsibility towards the environment. I encourage each of you to explore your own passions for repair and maintenance, whether it's fixing broken electronics, refurbishing old furniture, or restoring vintage items to their former glory. The sense of empowerment and satisfaction that comes from breathing new life into old possessions is truly priceless, and can lead to a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle. Thank you for allowing me to share my DIY journey with you today. Remember, with a little creativity, determination, and a willingness to get your hands dirty, there's no limit to what you can achieve. May the good Lord bless you today. Have a great day, everyone. And see you on my next video. Cheers.